Now, if you were lost and walking through the woods and you were very hungry, these might look pretty appealing. They're certainly less rotten than a lot of the other fruit that you'll find. But these are going to make things worse for you, not better. Hello everyone and welcome to another video where today we're taking a look at another poisonous plant, and that is the Asiatic bittersweet. This plant takes the form of a vine, and while all parts of the plant are poisonous, these berries are the most enticing. In addition to being poisonous, this plant is also invasive and quite destructive to the environment. There is also a closely related native species called American bittersweet. They're very, very difficult to tell apart, but that one's also quite poisonous, so for the purposes of trying to avoid poisonous plants, you don't need to be able to tell the difference. I will eventually do an invasive species episode on this plant as well, but with how closely it resembles the American bittersweet, I really need to put a lot more effort into making sure I have my facts 100% correct. But enough about that for right now. These berries are very characteristic, so they're quite easy to spot. This cluster is a very good example. The fruit is red-orange with several segments and multiple seeds within, and it has an outer husk that may or may not be present, peeled back, or still attached, and that outer husk is yellowish orange. As usual, I don't want to get into symptoms all too much, but just know that the American bittersweet, at least, was used in the same way buttonbush was, in that it induces vomiting, so you certainly don't want to eat these. So yeah, identification's not all that difficult, so it's pretty easy to avoid this. But if you didn't know what you were doing and you were looking for food, this might look appetizing. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you guys learned something and enjoyed. See ya.